Close-up of the front of a 2025 Genesis G90 luxury sedan. Focus on the large crest-shaped grille with intricate G-matrix diamond pattern design. Gloss black and chrome finish, reflecting showroom lighting. Elegant and bold styling. Side view close-up of a 2025 Genesis G90 luxury sedan's alloy wheels, showcasing intricate 20-inch multi-spoke design with a brushed aluminum and chrome finish. The vehicle is parked on clean pavement, with reflections highlighting the wheel curves. Close-up shot of a Genesis G90 side door showing flush-fitting door handles retracted into the body. Sleek and aerodynamic design with soft reflections. Optional shot shows the handle slightly extended with a human hand reaching toward it. Rear view of a 2025 Genesis G90 with the trunk lid automatically opening. Include a person standing behind the car with shopping bags, trunk sensing their presence. Ambient lighting under the rear bumper and sleek dual-line tail lamps visible. Wide interior shot of the 2025 Genesis G90 cabin illuminated with customizable ambient lighting, soft purple or blue tones. Show dashboard display screen showing mood curator interface with options for scent, lighting, and massage. Highlight a small fragrance diffuser near the dash vent with vapor gently emitting. Conceptual interior shot of a 2025 Genesis G90 with soundwave graphics, blue and red waves, bouncing outside the car while the inside remains silent. Emphasize high-end speakers on door panels and roof with active noise-canceling icons. The passenger appears relaxed and calm inside the serene cabin. Top-down view of the open hood of a 2025 Genesis G90 showcasing a clean, futuristic 3.5L twin-turbo V6 engine. Highlight brushed aluminum engine cover with Genesis branding. Blue accents indicate the 48V electric supercharger system. Surrounding components are neatly arranged in a high-luxury engine bay. Underside or transparent CGI-style side cutaway of a 2025 Genesis G90 driving on a mountain road. AWD system shown with motion arrows from the engine to all four wheels. Ground surface varies between wet and dry to show intelligent traction control in action. A futuristic digital speedometer rapidly climbing from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 5 seconds. Include motion blur and glowing red needle with 0 to 60 miles per hour. 5.0 seconds, text floating beside the dial. Genesis G90 in background on an open test track with tire smoke and streaks of acceleration light. Front-facing view of a 2025 Genesis G90 on an empty highway, digitally enhanced with a floating HUD showing top speed, 130 miles per hour, electronically limited, above the windshield. Slight motion blur at high speed, with highway signs blurred and aerodynamic lines glowing around the car. A dramatic cinematic shot of a 2025 Genesis G90 luxury sedan under a spotlight in a modern city showroom. Sleek silhouette, reflections on the polished floor, surrounded by dark, moody lighting. Background hints of luxury brands like Mercedes and BMW in faded neon. Side profile and front angle view of the 2025 Genesis G90 parked on a scenic road at sunset. Show the signature two-line LED headlamps, bold crest grille, sleek chrome details, and 21-inch alloy wheels. Emphasize aerodynamic lines and luxury design language. Close-up of Genesis G90 infotainment system. Twin 12.3-inch screens, AR navigation in use, a 3D Bang & Olufsen speaker grille, and ambient lighting. Hands hovering over a touch-sensitive rotary controller and fingerprint sensor for secure login. Dynamic driving shot of the 2025 Genesis G90 on a coastal highway at dawn. Show power and elegance with subtle motion blur. Engine overlay showing 3.5L twin-turbo V6 Plus E supercharger, 409 horsepower, on screen with performance lines glowing beneath the car. Futuristic cockpit overlay showing Genesis SmartSense in action. Blind spot monitor display on dash, highway driving assist in operation, 3D surround camera view, and autonomous parking sequence in progress. Side-by-side comparison of two Genesis G90 trims, one in pearl white, standard AWD, and one in royal blue, E-supercharged LWB, both parked on a luxury hotel driveway, with trim names and key features floating in minimal HUD-style text above. Minimalist graphic of a fuel gauge, digital efficiency readout, 20 mpg combined, and the Genesis G90 cruising through a scenic countryside with eco-mode glow around the car. Overlay, luxury meets efficiency. Montage of unique features. Ambient mood curator with colored lights and scent. Power rear footrest with massage, fingerprint start, and crystal controller. Include a passenger smiling in a rear executive seat while using touchscreen controls. Montage of unique features. Ambient mood curator with colored lights and scent. Power rear footrest with massage, fingerprint start, and crystal controller. Include a passenger smiling in a rear executive seat while using touchscreen controls. Cinematic shot of Genesis G90 driving into the sunset on a wide luxury boulevard. Camera slowly panning upward. Overlay text. 2025 Genesis G90 Luxury perfected with channel subscribe icon and glowing edges.